Big announcement today for Mullen Automotive. The electric vehicle startup will now be the exclusive provider for a new class of cargo vans for the federal government.
Mullen is already set to make 3 different EVs at the former AM General plant in St. Joe County. That's where WSBT 22's Ann Laree is live tonight. And the South Bend Chamber says that while the cargo vans won't be made here, the new deal is a good sign for the company and the county.
Get ready to be blown away by the latest buzz surrounding Mullen Automotive. With rumors of government contracts, compliance issues, and the latest on Mullen's financial and business updates, Mullen has been the talk of the town in the stock market lately. But what's happening behind the scenes? In this video, we will dive deep into the world of Mullen and uncover some thrilling insights that will keep you on the edge of your seat. We'll explore the latest updates on Mullen's compliance status and potential government contracts, and we'll also take a look at the impact of the reverse stock split on trading volume, short interest, and if the company is making progress in the previous quarter of 2023. So if you're a trader or investor looking to stay ahead of the game or someone who loves a good mystery, you won't want to miss this. Join us as we unravel the secrets of Mullen Automotive and uncover the truth behind the hype. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure like no other. Mullen Automotive is an American electric vehicle company that designs, manufactures, and sells EVs and EV-related technologies. The company was founded in 2014 by David Michieri in California. Mullen started as a small company focused on designing and producing electric sports cars, but has grown to include a broader range of EVs, including electric buses, trucks, and SUVs. As of May 15, 2023, Mullen Automotive stock price is $1.25. Mullen Automotive has announced that it will be the sole provider of a new class of cargo vans for the federal government. While Mullen is already set to produce 3 different EVs at the former AM General plant in St. Joseph County, the cargo vans will not be made there. Nevertheless, the South Bend Chamber notes that this news is a positive sign for Mullen and the county. The partnership reflects the growth of Mullen and the EV industry, which St. Joseph County has been working hard to be a part of. Unlike other EV businesses that have previously tried to fill the site, Mullen has a broader focus, making them better positioned to compete in the electric vehicle market. The Chamber sees this announcement as a good sign for the company and supports its efforts to bring EV business to the county. This move solidifies St. Joseph County's place in the future economy as they continue to work towards attracting other future users and developing a workforce for this industry. With discussions of a potential sizable electric vehicle battery plant on the county's west side for an Alcogen expansion, having Mullen on the county's east side is a significant development. It gives St. Joseph County a little cluster to work on, and they are excited to be part of the jobs of the future. Production for the vehicles purchased by Mullen months ago in St. Joseph County is expected to begin at the end of 2023 or the beginning of 2024. Mullen's focus on commercial vehicles and their broader product view puts them in a strong position for the future. The federal government officials also expressed their confidence in Mullen's potential success, stating that the company has a broader focus than previous auto manufacturers in the factory. This includes their commercial products, which have already secured some federal government contracts. The factory in Michigan mentioned in the video is worth over $210 million, a significant investment. It's worth noting that Mullen also has factories in Indiana and Mississippi. Mullen's focus on commercial vehicles and their broader product view make them a promising player in the electric vehicle industry's competitive market. Thank you for watching this far. I hope you're enjoying this content. Mullen possesses many valuable assets that exceed its current market cap of $210 million. Mullen has acquired these facilities and factories at a fraction of their original value. For example, the ELMS factory, which used to produce the H2 Hummer for General Motors, was acquired by Mullen during the bankruptcy of Electric Last Mile Solutions, or ELMS, for a fraction of its original cost. These acquisitions put Mullen in a favorable position and make it a potential target for a larger company to a buyout. However, it's unlikely that Mullen will sell, given the many benefits that come with the company. On May 11th, Mullen stock has shown significant growth, increasing by 13.77% in just 17 minutes, a rare occurrence since the reverse stock split. Mullen has a few trading days left until they regain compliance in the NASDAQ. Are you planning on buying more Mullen shares now or after they regain compliance in the NASDAQ? Comment down below. Usually, stocks jump after announcing regaining compliance, but then they come back down. Mullen has a lot of big-name clients, including those with federal contracts lining up for the company, so that may be a good investment. But, unfortunately, things are starting to turn the other way for Mullen. Mullen is working to get those government contracts. Those orders are just piling up. Mullen's presence in different states and counties allows them to acquire various federal and state contracts by tapping into the state where their factories are located. This will also create job opportunities for the company. An example is Mullen's situation in Michigan, where they acquired a factory and are now opening it up, potentially leading to more contracts and jobs. It is suggested to keep an eye on Mullen, and it is unlikely that there will be a lot of volatility in their stock until they announce that they have regained compliance with the NASDAQ. Lastly, there hasn't been much activity in terms of resource sales. The trading volume in Mullen is currently low due to the reverse stock split. If we multiply the current trading volume by 25, we will get the actual volume before the split. Despite this, Mullen has recently seen significant trading activity, with close to 47 million shares traded in one day. The day after that, 44 million shares were traded, followed by 19 million, 28 million, 15 million, and close to 12 million on subsequent days. In the pre-market, the active sale count outweighs the active buy count, possibly due to many orders already being filled. Given the many active sale orders after market hours, Mullen may experience a significant pullback from its recent gains. Therefore, the stock is likely to trade between 75 cents to $1.60 until the company regains compliance with NASDAQ. Furthermore, looking at the short sale activity, we can see that the short sale ratio has remained consistent, especially in the last 2 days of trading. The short interest in Mullen has remained consistently high at 285.92%, but this number is inflated due to the reverse stock split. In reality, during the first half of April, the short interest was only slightly over 10% when adjusted for the split. However, there has been an extreme increase in short interest from the second half of March until the first half of April. Moreover, the short interest for the first half of May will likely be even higher, despite the lower volume, because shorts continue to target Mullen even after the reverse stock split. The cost to borrow has reached new highs, with Ortex reporting a cost of 389.63% and a maximum cost of 454.59% the previous week. The percentage reflects the annualized interest rate on loans, which brokers and hedge funds typically borrow. Hedge funds short on Mullen stock are paying an effective interest rate to continue shorting the stock, while retail investors face no costs to buy and hold the stock. Despite Mullen's short interest rising, with 16% to 17% targeting the company, massive buying pressure is required to initiate a short squeeze due to liquidity running dry in the stock market. According to the May 15, 2023 announcement, Mullen Automotive reported a net loss before accrued preferred dividends and non-controlling interest of $495.4 million for the 6 months ended March 31, 2023. The company had $67.6 million in cash used in operating activities, while cash flows used in investing activities amounted to $97.4 million, primarily due to the ELMS asset purchase for $93 million. This was offset by cash inflows from financing activities of $167.4 million. As of March 31, 2023, the company had approximately $86.3 million in cash for operations and investment. However, as of April 30, 2023, the company had around $116.1 million in cash for operations and investment. In addition, the company has additional committed capital of $45 million expected to be received before the end of June 2023. The table on the screen summarizes Mullen Automotive Incorporated's financial results for its fiscal second quarter for the 3 and 6 months ended March 31, 2023. As we can see from the table, the company had a net loss before accrued preferred dividends and non-controlling interest of $495.4 million for the 6 months ended March 31, 2023. Additionally, non-cash charges were approximately $426.4 million, and operating asset and liability charges were $1.4 million for the same period. So, did you find the insights we shared about Mullen Automotive exciting? Could this be the following hot stock to skyrocket your portfolio, or is it a risky bet? Time will tell, but don't take your eyes off this one. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future updates on Mullen and other stocks that could be the next big thing. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts on the latest market trends. Thanks for tuning in and happy investing. If you want the details of their reverse stock split, check it out in this next video.